introducing the materials, and this is a scissor, straw, a piece of white string, you can't see it though, and a protractor. Okay, so we'll be introducing the first step. So the first step, we're gonna put the string into the hole of the protractor right now. Slowly, and there you go. Then that's the first step. Second step will be, we're gonna get the string that we put through the protractor, and then we're gonna put through these two holes right now. Careful, slowly. And the first hole has been cleared. Oh, second hole now. Okay, that's the second step. Okay, so the third step will be, after putting the strings through the two holes, you will be tying around here. Okay, so after that, we'll be using our new friend, Mr. Scotch Tape, and use the straw to stick it in the tip of here. Okay, so we'll now show you through Mr. Chinnachord's hand. So first, get the Scotch Tape, stick it in the straw, and then stick it in the protractor evenly. Okay, so like that, like how Mr. Chinnachod did it. And get another Scotch Tape, stick it, and there you go. And that's the third step. Teaching you how to use a clinometer here right now. So judging from the tree that we just measured there, we got the 30 degrees here. So when we measured 30 degrees, we got the 30 degrees. So if you get the 30 degrees here and the line is here, this should be 90 degrees. So this should be 60 degrees from judging from here. And now from here, we got the three angles. So just take this thing out. Just forget about it. We just want to find the height over here. We know our own height, and that is my height, 1.7. Okay, so this is the problem. So this is 30 here. We know the length here down here is 200 meters. The form we will be using tan, because from here we'll be getting opposite sides and adjacent sides. Okay, so here tan 30 equal to height over length. So we move the length to the other side to multiply with tan 30. So height is equal to L times tan 30 degrees equals 200. L is 200 judging, as we see from here. So 200 times tan 30. 200 times tan 30 is equal to 115.47 meters. Or you can say 115.5 meters, rounding it up. Okay, so we found the height. Now we want to plus h plus x to find the full height, since now we would like to find 115.47. Let's just say 5 plus 1.7, and let's just work. Anyway, so we get the total height 117.17 meters, and that is how you find the answer. Okay, so we'll be using our clinometer to be measuring this tree over here right now. It's called pink trumpet tree. So from this tree itself, I will be moving myself up to the distance of 5 meters. Okay, so I'll be looking at the tree now. Okay, I got it, and I got about 25 degrees. The clinometer, when we look at the degrees of depression, we would get 25 degrees. But when looking at the degrees of elevation, we get 65 degrees. Okay, so we know the length of the distance here is 5 meters. We would like to find the height of the tree. So we want to find the height first before we plot it with our own height. Now let's start. From here, tan 65 degrees is equal to height over 5. Now from the 5 we got here, we would like to move the 5 here to the tan by multiplying the tan 65 degrees. So it will be height equals 5 times tan 65 is equal to 10.72 meters. Now, we found the height. So we'll be plussing the x over here with my own height. Okay, so h plus x. H for h is 10.72. X, my own height, will be 1.75. So plussing them both is 12.47 meters. So for the actual meter, this will be 12.47. Now to find the centimeter, we times 10. So right now we found the answer, 12.47 meters. So we'll be using our clinometer to be measuring the distance of the height of the 9 building here right now. The white building is here. The distance is from there to here. From there to here is 5 meters. Okay. Okay, so I'll be looking at the tower now. And, okay, I got it's 15 degrees here right now. Okay, and let's go do the calculations. For the 9 building, we have degrees of depression. It's 15 degrees. And for here, we get 75 degrees. Okay, from here, 75 degrees, and we want to find the height. We have the same length of 5 meters. Now, let's go. We have the 75 degrees, so we'll be using tan 75 degrees equal height over 5. Now, we would like to move this 5 meters to here. Multiply with tan 75. 5 times tan 75 is equal to 18.66 meters. And now, therefore, we found the height. Okay, so all we have to do right now is to have the height plus our own height. Let's just replace this with x for now. Okay, height plus x is equal to 18.66 plus 1.75, sorry, is equal to 20.41 meters. And if you want to find it as centimeter, multiply it with 10, and you will get the centimeter. For now, this is the answer. Thank you.